Welcome to Brazilian Wood Depot. My name is Sam and I'm in the Garapa storage area of our facility. This is just some of the Garapa that I'm standing next to. It happens to be our Garapa 1x6. Garapa is a fabulous exterior decking hardwood, similar to Ipe, similar to Cumaru. In my opinion, it's a better alternative to Ipe than Cumaru in many senses because it's so stable. Now, if you look, it typically has this gold or very light honey brownish color. When it's fresh, like this 1x6 sample I have here, it's much more yellow. So over time, it does mature into more of a gold color. The reason I think it's a better alternative in many cases for Ipe is because it has more stability characteristics like Ipe. We have no problem using Garapa with hidden fasteners, whereas with Cumaru, we have to be careful about what conditions it's being used with hidden fasteners. Garapa does well under all conditions with all fastening methods, just like Ipe. In fact, I have a really good video talking about which species perform under which conditions with which fastening methods. I'm not going to get into that here, but you can check that out on our YouTube channel. 1x6 is by far the most common decking profile. It's what you should typically be using for 12 inches on center or 16 inches on center joist spacing. We also carry just as much 5/4x6 Garapa, so it's a little thicker, a little more robust, especially used in high traffic or commercial applications. We love Garapa. We've been selling it for a long time. It ages really nicely and patinas into a gray. Some people get hung up on the Janka hardness of Garapa because it is quite a bit lower than Ipe and Cumaru, but in the field, in practice, Garapa has a very similar longevity to Ipe and Cumaru. If you're trying to make your decision between one of these three or one of these other alternative hardwood species, don't base it just on the Janka. I don't even think that really should come into play at all. It's a little less hard in terms of the Janka hardness, but in terms of practical performance in the field, it has a very similar longevity to Ipe and Cumaru. So we have lots of Garapa. If you have any questions, give us a call about it. We're happy to talk about it. We are Brazilian Wood Depot. Call us if you have any questions. We're happy to help. That's what we do.
Before we wrap up, here are 3 things we've spent the last 20 years developing to solve some of the biggest challenges in hardwood decking.
We've learned that supplying a great hardwood deck means more than just supplying great hardwood decking. So we've developed heritage deck framing, a premium deck framing for customers who want a framing material to match the longevity and performance of today's decking materials. We learned the same lesson with fasteners. Hardwood decking presents its own unique challenges, which led us to develop solutions like our BWD deck clip with installation and long-term performance in mind. For instance, no pre-drilling and a wider bearing surface to accommodate for expansion contraction. We've learned that even the best materials don't really matter if they don't arrive to job sites on time and in great condition. BW Depot ships to job sites nationwide with 3 commitments in mind: speed, protection, and transparency.
Brazilian Wood Depot.
Whether you're just getting started or ready to build, BW Depot is here to help with products, resources, and project guidance every step of the way. Visit bwdepot.com to learn more.